Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Canva presentation to a PowerPoint. So for example, I have already created an example presentation here with the help of template here. So to convert this presentation in a PowerPoint, you just have to go to the share option. Then you just have to go down and you have to select this more option here. Click on more and then scroll down, and here you will find the Microsoft PowerPoint option here. So you just have to click on Microsoft PowerPoint and choose all the pages and just click download here. And this presentation will be downloaded as a PowerPoint format here. So as you can see, my PowerPoint is downloading. So if I click on it, so here it is. My Canva presentation is now in PowerPoint format here. So that's it guys. This is how easily can convert your Canva presentation to PowerPoint here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.